Next we have grep x. Grep x Kansas states 2. Grep x is match the entire line. Okay, we get Kansas back. But what if we don't include the x? What do we see? Okay, we get 2 instances of the match. So x matches the entire line. Let's take a look at what's in the file. vi states 2. We have 2 lines. Line 1 just has the word Kansas. Line 2 has a once knew a man from Kansas. So let's get out of this. We'll clear our screen. Now to help you remember what x does, think of the letter x in the word exact. You can think of it in this instance as x in the phrase exact line match. Let's take another look at the states2 file. This time we'll use -n to show us the line numbers of what we are getting as a return. States. If I can type. Okay, so here it says line 1, Kansas. Line 2, I once knew a man from Kansas. So again, we use grep-x. Let's go ahead and throw the n option in there to show us line numbers again. Kansas states 2. And again, that only returns us Kansas from the line where Kansas is by itself, because we're looking for an exact line match. And you can see that on the cheat sheet that I have linked to in the description. Go to the top of the cheat sheet, look at the index, find the letter X, match entire line, come down here, and it shows you the same thing, but you can click more info and you'll get a little bit more information fleshed out. Okay, so what is this useful for? This is useful to find configuration file block headers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We'll do vi outputs.conf. This is an example of a Splunk configuration file. So you have a configuration block here and here, and then you have the headers. So it says for TCP out, for anything going out TCP, this is the default group being referenced, and it's named indexers. For TCP out to the indexers group, shoot it over to this IP address on this port. So again, block right here, configuration block, configuration header, or block header. In the real world, when I wanted to see what was underneath a particular configuration block header inside of a configuration file, and I didn't want to have to open the whole file and scroll through the whole darn thing, I would go grep-x f, because I want an exact match, because we're looking at brackets. And then I would say, give me the, let's go 2 lines underneath the block header. And then let's see, or show me, what is going out TCP in the outputs.conf configuration file. So there we have it. Here's the match, here's the block header, and then it's giving me the line underneath it, the configuration, and then it's giving me another line too, but it's blank, so you can't see it. It's a quick way to review what's underneath a particular block header. If you guys want to learn a specific new Linux command, or you're frustrated with your understanding of a command, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video explaining it. If you know someone else who could benefit from reviewing this video, please feel free to share it with them. And other than that, thanks for hanging out with me. Take care.